Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back with another video today. So what we are going to do, we are going to actually learn about regex or regular expressions. So I have I had a hard time learning the regular expressions when I was learning Python I mean uh, very earlier when I started learning Python. Regex was something which actually I didn't really like, and basically it was very hard. Yeah, it's not actually very hard. It's very, if you understand the concepts of regex, it takes, if you want to understand them, it actually takes some time. So basically learning regex would take some time, but yes, it is very fruitful. So what regex is, basically regex is actually, you know, using a regular expression. You use a regular expressions like question mark, like like parentheses, and you put something into it, and you want to have a particular set of words extracted from particular string or with a whole file or something like that. So regex is your friend when you're actually processing a big a string from user input, and you just want to, you know, pick out a few things. Like if the user says, okay, my number is this, hey, my number is ab 1 2 3 5 4 6 7 8 9, and it and you want to extract that particular number. So there are two ways. Either you can use a for loop and just go through it and go nested. It will be a very big file, trust me. It will be a big program. So in order to resolve this problem, what comes in the picture is um, regex. So let's see a few I mean, in the regex is actually a big part, so I'm breaking it into actually three parts. So you can actually look at all those videos, and I will push them back to back so that you will be always in the flow. So let's get started. So let's say, if you want to have what I have, I would say I have a string. My sorry my phone number is, let's say I have my number like 414 412 222 dash 990, something like that. That's not my phone number. Okay, so now what I want to do, I just want to actually extract this number. I just want to use this number. So let's say I have a list number. I will say number equals to a blank list, or not a blank list. I will just say number equals to this. Just a blank would do, I guess. Yes, number is this, right? Now what I want to do, I want to actually extract this. So in order to do that, what I will say, first I will import something called re means regular expression, right? Regex in short. So now what I will first say, I will say string data equals to, so what I will say, I will just copy this whole data here, and put it away here, right? Make Be assured that this is not a whole, this is not a, it's basically a string. I will define as another thing which will give me a regex type. Phone regex equals to, right? I will say re dot compiler, and compile, I mean, and then we use an expression called r, right? R is actually defines, we have to have a regex, and I will say d slash d slash d, right? And there is a dash, then slash d slash d slash d, and dash, and then slash d slash d slash d slash d. Okay, you might be thinking like, why I'm using like this, right? So 412, this is 3 digits, so my number should be in this pattern: 412 222 and 9099, right? So this is the way my number should be like, right? And now what I want to do, I will say, now I will run a regex search. So I will say number, and I will say phone regex dot search, right? And I'm not going to provide my whole this data again. I will say string data, just search the string data, right? Because string data is my string, right? And when I will do, I will say print my the phone number is, then space, and then I will say plus no dot. There is one thing called group. It will actually group your whole data. It will group all these numbers all together and put it here, right? Now let's see if this actually works. So what I will do, I will say sorry, I will say python 3, then regex 1.py. Unexpected indent, which is oh, it's a comment. I will just, or I can do something like this. I'll just move it. There's some problem with that. Okay, so the phone number is 412-222-9909, right? So this is coming from here. Or if you just want to print the number, I don't want this string, I will just do this, and there we go. That's the number. Okay. Now I don't have to use this, or we can say we should have done this, then number equals to this, because number is blank right now, right? And if I say because this goes into phone regex and search over here, I will just type number. We have to do number dot group, right? And you can just pass this value over here, like I will say no, and then number equals to no dot group. Okay, just to make sure that we have everything here, we cover everything. So I will just say this and this, right? Here we go. This is how our import that works when you're using the regex object. So this is basically the regex object, the number we are using here. This is regex object. So I hope you guys did like this video, and if you did, please do like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions or queries, feel free to comment over in the comment box. I will definitely answer all your queries. So I will see you later. Till then, goodbye.